Hey, so new year is about to begin, only few days are left. And do you want to know the real secrets of making money online and how you can scale any kind of business and make it profitable? Okay, so in this video, I'm going to discuss about that, and basically I'll be discussing about one funnel away challenge, and I'll be telling how it has transformed my life and my perspective, my thoughts, and I'll also be telling you how this program can actually change your life, your business. So you would have heard about one funnel away challenge earlier, or maybe you do not have a single idea about this challenge, but stick till the end of this video. I can assure you this video can be a life-changing video for you. So hey everyone, my name is Anand Prajapati from anandprajapatiuniversity.com, and let's begin. Okay, so let me tell you about what is one funnel away challenge. Okay, so this challenge has been named one funnel away. Actually, the creator of this challenge is Russell Brunson, and he says that no matter where are you in your business or your life, you are just one funnel away. So this challenge is about funnel. Okay, so we will be discussing about and few factors. So I'll be discussing about what is funnel exactly, but let me tell you how it transformed my life. Okay, so we know about the in conventional business. Whenever someone think to start their business online, they think about websites and social media and blah blah. There are many stuffs and there are a lot of uh, myth in the market, and I also fall in that trap. I tried many different things, like affiliate marketing, and I heard about dropshipping, but I didn't try. I tried blogging. I tried different kind of online businesses, but I cannot make any of those profitable, and I could not make a single penny out of that because I was lacking with the proper strategies. So I joined some other courses as well, and I joined one funnel away challenge. But the concept of funnel, it actually blown away my mind, and it is not just about funnel actually. This program has been designed. It will, it will totally change the perspective you think about the business, or even your personal life. I mean, uh, this challenge is about selling something and making profit out of that. Okay, so in your life, you always sell something. Okay, so this challenge can be life changing for you. So let me tell you what all the things you are going to learn. So actually, this is a 30-day challenge, and uh, you will be given some pre-training week videos, uh, pre-week videos actually. So it starts with preparing your mindset, because if you are starting anything, you need to have a prepared mindset to complete any challenge or learn anything. So you will be given week trainings, and in the first week you learn about creating your offer and creating a sequence of your offer, how you can create irresistible offer so that people will just say, just take my money. Okay, so you will learn how to create a compelling offers, and in the second weeks you will learn how to, you know uh, create resources and how to spread your message there out. And in the third week you'll learn about funnels actually. The funnel you will learn in third week, because in first 2 weeks you will learn how to prepare a foundation for a funnel. So actually this is a very structured and very detailed program. Okay, and it has been made uh, in a very challenging way. It is a challenge. Okay, so it is very interesting. Okay, so in the third week you will learn how to create your opt-in page, how to create your uh, you know front-end page, how to create your OTO page. So OTO page is actually a upsell page. So you will learn how you can integrate one by one products, and how you can increase the lifetime value of your customer, and you can get an insane amount of money from one customer. So it is a very actually detailed, I'm telling this again and again, so it is a detailed and very structured training. I didn't found in any kind of courses. So yeah, and in the fourth week you will learn about how to get traffic. So you will learn how to create a funnel, and how to sequencing make your offer, and how to create resources. All that you will be learning in first 3 weeks, and in the last week you will learn about traffic part. Okay, so it is very important in online world, because if people are not coming into your funnels, it doesn't make any sense. So you will be learning about traffic, what all the sources of traffic you can get for your product or services, whatever you are creating. Okay, so and yeah, you will also be taught how you can create your uh, dream 100 traffics, how you can get dream 100 traffics actually. Okay, so this is something very interesting, and it actually blown away my mind, because it is something uh, which will take time, but it is going to create a legacy in your business. So I cannot explain everything about this program, because this program has been made in a way it is insane in itself. Okay, so I would recommend you to try. And sometimes people get a question that will you definitely get success after completing this challenge. So if you complete this challenge with honesty, and if you are implementing in your business, I can assure you that you are definitely going to get success. But if you are not serious about this challenge, you just enrolled and you are not taking any actions, uh, you can't get success, and you cannot make profit out of that, to be very honest. Okay, so you have to learn and implement. If you are implementing in the right way, you are definitely going to get success. So if you are really serious about your business and want to make money online, and I mean, even if you do not have any product and you want to start something online and want to know what is the actual strategies to scale your business online, okay, so I would recommend you to enroll into this program. Okay, and if you are not serious, and if you have any doubts, so you can definitely ask and reach out to me on Instagram as well. I would try to clear all your doubts, whatever you have. And if you are serious, I would highly recommend you to enroll into this program. And I'm not just asking you to enroll into this program. I'm also going to give you some bonuses from my side, which worth more than $3,000, and you are also going to get amazing bonuses from Russell Brunson when you are joining these programs. Okay, so everything will become easy for you, handmade for you. So let me tell you what some bonuses which I am offering. Okay, so the very first, you are getting priority support in my Facebook group. Okay, so what will happen, normally whenever someone posts into the Facebook group, okay, so their post take times to approve and get posted, but you will be given that priority support, and you can directly post, so your answer will go live. And there are winners, I am there, and we will make sure that your every single questions is being answered. Okay, so you are going to get a priceless support there. And after that, I am giving you my funnel setup consultation call. Okay, so I used to make funnels for my business, and I have made funnels for this program as well. And yeah, uh, I build funnels for clients as well. So I have made a multiple funnels, so I have that experience, and I can definitely help you. Okay, so I'm going to give you a one-on-one funnel strategy consultation call, and there is no limit on this consultation call. And if in case if you get any kind of technical glitch or something which required to do on some other days, so I'll be doing that as well. Okay, and apart from that, you are getting viral content marketing ebooks, which I'm going to give you. I'm going to give you my funnel templates. I'm going to give you the kind of funnel map I have created. Okay, and I'll also giving you the ClickFunnels mastermind trainings, where you can learn everything about ClickFunnels. You don't need to go anywhere to learn how this feature work in ClickFunnels and how this works. So everything you will get at one place, so you do not have to go and find many things. Okay, apart from that, I am giving you many more bonuses. Total 16 bonuses I am going to give you. And actually this is for limited time. I can reduce some bonuses, because this is the first time when I'm offering this kind of bonuses. And whatever kind of product I have promoted, either a single product for my clients, or for any kind of affiliate products I have promoted, I have never offered this much amount of bonuses. You know why? Because I know the potential of this program, and I know some of you may have some doubts and some kind of insecurities, but I know the potential of this program, and I definitely recommend you to enroll into this program. And that's why I'm giving you this amount of bonuses, because I actually want you to be in this program. Okay, so yeah, this is my commitment from my side. And yeah, especially if you want to get all these bonuses, please make sure you are enrolling in this program as soon as possible. Okay, now you might be asking, what is the catch? Why you are offering this much amount of bonuses? Okay, so here is the catch. Okay, for some of bonuses I have paid money, some of the bonuses I have created, some of the bonuses which I have got while working with my clients, and some of the bonuses I'm giving you that I have created while uh, while creating funnels, or any kind of online automation kind of setups. So these are the bonuses, and these are digital products. Okay, so I do not have to pay money again and again, but that I mean, so that's why I'm able to offer you these insane amount of bonuses. Okay, so there is no cash there. Okay, just go and the bonuses will be emailed out to you uh, within 48 hours. So once you enroll, okay, so just let me know and send me an email at on anand@digisalvo.com. Okay, and within 48 hours you will get your bonus. Okay, so this was it, and let me know if you have any doubts. You can contact me on Instagram. You can get the link on the footer of this video, or you can contact me on Messenger as well. Okay, so yeah, this was it, and if you have any kind of doubt, you can ask to me. Yeah, that's it. And if you're watching this video on YouTube, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and yeah, like and share. And if you have any doubt or suggestion, make sure to mention in the comment box. And till the time, see you, bye bye.